mystery. Pet mystery. Buddy? Okay, but on this one, try to guess. Leave a comment below which pet will they get? Dog, cat, hamster, bunny. What else can be a good pet? Fish, bird. What else? Monkey. You have to guess any of those things. Leave a comment what you guess. But you have to start with, I guessed any pet you guess. But don't put any pet I guess. If you don't put on there, I won't understand that comment. Leave a comment below which pet. Okay, and action. I'm so bored of my whole life. I wish I could have a pet. Read book. Let's read a book before we choose a pet. Let's buy a pet at the store. Shop store. Let me get ideas from which pet we should get. Book. Let's read that. Yeah. Where is that? It's behind that Lucas's picture of a great artist that's in a bridge. Oh my God. Everyone, if you see on the Every Dolls Found show, whoever's recording, whoever you see, just ignore it. Just okay. This is not why this is no. Because he do not want to be part of the. Lucas, you do not be in the video. Oh, because he doesn't want to be in the picture. Let's read it here. After I eat my popsicle. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the clock. Which time when you're done? It's the clock. Okay. Yeah, there's some way I know how to stop the clock. Okay, it's in a. You don't come here. when done with school, let's read it out. I'll read it out loud. No, let's read it out. The fans are getting tired. The fans are getting tired waiting. I'll say it out loud. Okay, I'll tell you when I say it. I'll say it like this. Mousy, time to look at the picture. If it was a book with no pictures, I won't say that. Okay, what pet should I get? By Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss died from a long time ago. I was supposed to say that. What pet should I get? By Dr. Seuss. We want a pet. What kind of pet should we know? Okay, Mousy, time to see the page. Okay, time to read. The picture. I already read it. I read it out loud. I planned for this so I can read. Okay, I already read. How about we take turns reading page? Okay. Dad said we could have one. Dad said he would pay. We went to the pet shop. I was there with Kay's dad and the boy. Don't forget to read that. Okay, Lucia, and so we went in. Okay, now time for you to see the page. I took one fast look. I mean fast look. I took one fast look. I saw a fun dog who shook hand. So we shook. So I say, I want him. But then Kay saw a cat. She gave it a pat. And she said, I want that. Oh. Okay, now you just make sure you see it. Okay, Mousy, time to see it. Okie dokie. Now this time you read it a whole. Bored reading. I want to go do something else. But we haven't read. Well, how will we get a mind from this? You can read it all by yourself, Pocket. Okay. This is fun reading with us. kind of like if I read, it looks like it's my look, and you see human arms. Yeah. Then what do you know? We solved two others kind. Know how could Kate and I make up our minds? A pup and a kitten. They took like good fun. Now, which would we pick? We could only pick one. Make up your mind. The cat or the dog, the kitten, the pup. Oh boy, it is so mean. Leave a comment below. What is this word? By the so thin. Leave comments below by putting them on in parts that can be understood to make a mind up. Then I solved this thing with wings. I said, look at him. We can pick one that sings, but then look over there. Say, Kate. Say, my sister Kay, we can go home if a rabbit today. I got an idea! I'm ready! We can get a pet rabbit! Let's just finish it on the next video. Let's go. How about let's go. Okay. How about we go to the door, and then pause it, and then we go to your bedroom. Yeah. Let's. We need this. Okay. Let's go. Go on the DS. Can we get pet, Hawk? Oh, that's our second dad. Yeah, can we get pet? That's our third dad. Okay, I call the drum, and any minute the drum will come. Few hours. It'll come in few seconds. Few hours later. That's the drum. It's with our pet bunny. Oh, dropped it. That's what the drum. Bye, drum. What? I was just pretending the drum was on. Yeah, pretending. I was just kind of pretending it was flying by holding it. Okay. What? Hello, can you talk? Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. Ah! What a rabbit. I bought from PetSmarts, and they put a brain. They cut my head off by going around my ears, and they put a human brain. They put a human brain in me, and they sewed my head back on. So I'm a talking rabbit. Yeah. So I come with a toy. You come with a toy? Yeah, a toy. That's, yeah. Rabbits look through it. You just see normal things if you look through it. If rabbits look through it, they'll see rainbows. Everything will look like rainbows. Let me look through it. Huh, everything looks normal. Let me try. Let me try.
Can we check out that opening and closing door? Maybe
Whoa, I see rainbows. I see half a little bit of the color. That eagle looks like rainbow. I have. It must be dead.
that's right. Who said that? It's the opening and closing door.
Hmm.
You're right, Puppet, because it has blood behind his head.
Okay.
Can we check out?
Okay, let's just go. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's just go.
Can we check out before we go?
Hey guys, I'm sorry it's short, but there's the episode 2 of it, but it's called different. So I'm just letting you know about this puppet. I know you never seen it in ever a Dolls Fun Show. I did buy it from the store. You can come out because it's over. But
it's going to still be on before it ends. They're going to go in here.
Okay, Lucas, you can stop playing with your doll.
Okay, and the tail of this, the bobbit and red popsicle juice to make it look like he's dead. Yeah. Maybe,
Yeah, like
Michelle, maybe.
yeah, kind of like my it's tomorrow's the last day of our school. Yay. My teacher gave me Hopper. That's what's name. Yeah.
Michelle, on the next video, Are you going to enter the opening and closing door?
Only at the video after the next. Only at the third video. It's called opening and closing closet.
Actually, it's a door. So pretending that video, it's a door.
Okay.
Not
Yeah.
closet.
So goodbye.
Bye.